Compound interest. Solve maths problems. In this lesson, you will learn about simple and compound interest. Problem 1. Blair saved $1,200 from her allowance. She deposited it with a bank that offers 5% annual interest. How much interest will she earn after 2 years? Do you remember how to solve this problem? To solve this problem, we'll use the simple interest formula. I equals PRT, where I equals interest, P equals principal, R equals rate, T equals time. Simple interest. This is mostly used for short-term loans or savings, where the interest is fixed because it is dependent on the principal value only. Blair saved $1,200 from her allowance. She deposited it with a bank that offers 5% annual interest. How much interest will she earn after 2 years? Let's solve this problem using simple interest formula. I equals PRT. Answer. Blair earned an interest of $120 after 2 years through her $1,200 savings. Problem 2. Solve using simple interest formula. Daniel saved $1,500 from his part-time job and deposited it in a bank that offers 4% annual interest. How much interest will he earn after 3 years? Answer 2. Daniel earned an interest of $180 after 3 years through his $1,500 savings. Problem 3. Solve using simple interest formula. Maya saved $2,000 and deposited it in a bank that offers 6% annual interest. How much interest will she earn after 4 years? Answer 3. Maya earned an interest of $480 after 4 years through his $2,000 savings. How does compound interest differ from simple interest? Simple interest. This is mostly used for short-term loans or savings, where the interest is fixed because it is dependent on the principal value only. Compound interest. This is mostly used for long-term loans or savings where the interest adds up and grows. Compound interest. To calculate the accumulated value over time with compound interest, we use this formula. A equals P, 1 plus R divided by N, to the power of N, T, where A equals final amount, P equals principal, R equals annual interest rate, N equals number of times interest is compounded per year, T equals time in years. Problem 4. This time, let's see how Blair's savings will increase if her deposit of $1,200 earns 5% annual interest, compounded semi-annually. How much money will she have after 10 years? Answer 4. Solve using compound interest formula. The correct answer is, Blair will have $1,966 from her principal and interest earned in 10 years. Problem 5. Asher bought a laptop priced at $650. To buy this, he took out a loan with an annual interest of 5% compounded quarterly. How much will he have to pay in 7 years? Answer 5. After 7 years, Asher will owe $920 for a loan amount of $650 with an annual interest rate of 5%, compounded quarterly. Problem 6. Emma deposits $2,500 in a savings account that earns 6% annual interest, compounded quarterly. How much money will she have after 8 years? Answer 6. Emma will have $4,026 from her principal and interest earned in 8 years. Problem 7. Liam invests $1,800 at an annual interest rate of 4%, compounded annually. What will be the value of her investment after 12 years? Answer 7. Liam will have $2,882 from her principal and interest earned in 12 years. Problem 8. Maya invests $4,000 at 6.5% annual interest, compounded quarterly. How much will she have after 10 years? Answer 8. Maya will have $7,620 from her principal and interest earned in 10 years. Problem 9. Sravan saved $8,800 and deposited it in a bank that offers 6.5% annual interest. How much interest will he earn after 5 years? Answer 3. Sravan earned an interest of $2,860 after 5 years through his $8,800 savings. Well done, little genius. Hope you solved them correctly. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.